Welcome back. So the new Lego Friends 2026 summer sets are revealed. So this one is the Lego Friends biggest set this summer, the Heart Lake City Grand Hotel, and it has like 1,406 pieces, which is really a lot. And it looks like someone is getting married in this hotel, and Paisley with her new dress looks really nice too. And I wonder why this like elevator is like outside elevator and why they didn't cover it. That's sort of a mystery, and I just can't wait to see the inside photo. But for now, the inside photo is not revealed yet. So anyway, this is the biggest set, and it's for like 9-year-olds, so I guess it's not that difficult to build, because I mean mostly like big sets are for like 11-year-olds or like 14-year-olds, but this is just for like 9-year-olds. So I think it's going to be quite easy building it, and it looks so nice, and I wonder how it's going to look like in the inside. I just can't wait. And it looks like we have like 2 cats included in this set and 6 mini dolls inside. So there's like this person working in the hotel and 2 people, like a man and a woman who's getting married, and Ollie, Paisley, and Leanne inside this set. So this is the Lego Friends Grand Hotel set, and we have another one that's revealed, which is the Lego Friends like mermaid roller coaster ride set. This set also looks really nice. So it's like 2 more Lego Friends sets revealed. But like the panda care sanctuary set, that one, the photo is not yet revealed. But this one also looks really nice and exciting. It has like 864 pieces, and it has like 5 dolls inside. So Oda, Leo, and Leanne, and it looks like we have like 2 mermaids in this set. Probably they are not like actual mermaids, but it looks really nice. And the roller coaster is really nice. It's going to be my first Lego Friends roller coaster. So awesome, right? And one of the Disney set is also revealed. This is like Rapunzel's castle. It has like 676 pieces, and this looks really nice too. So it looks like that's maybe Rapunzel's parents up in the terrace, and in the boat there's Rapunzel and like the prince, I guess. Is he the prince? I actually don't remember his name. But anyway, those like blue like dome shaped ones looks really nice and cool. So this is the end of the video, and I can't wait to see the inside photos. See you next time. Bye bye.